Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll paint a watercolor floral wreath, so let's get started. Firstly, I'm making a circle on A5 size watercolor paper. You can check out all the material details mentioned in the description box. So I have mixed a little bit of violet in the magenta paint. Now to paint the first flower, I'm using very light wash of paint and I'm painting this very loose 3-petal flower. I will be adding a lot of variations in this floral wreath, so there would be a mix of 3-petal or 4-petal flower. Likewise, I am painting 4-petal flower over here. Also, I am painting the bottom petal in a slightly smaller size for all the flowers. That will make the flower facing at a certain angle. Also adding some magenta paint in the center of the flower while the petals are still wet. So there will be in total 4 magenta flowers that I'll be painting, all facing in different directions and having some gaps in between so as to fit in more flowers and leaves. I'm also adding some tiny dots of violet paint in the center so as to have a dark center of the flowers. Also adding some magenta in the violet paint and loading my brush with this shade. Now the main petal of this flower is highly concentrated, and then I'm dipping my brush in the clean water and making the other petal by dragging the paint from the center. This will add more value to the flower and will give it a more realistic look. Similarly, I am painting the other violet flowers in the middle of the magenta flowers. Now I have taken sap green paint on my brush and I am outlining the circle. Also I will paint some leaves using the same sap green. I am painting the single stroke leaf over here and I will paint them in different sizes so as to give more value to the painting. Now once I have painted the green leaves, I have taken very light wash of turquoise paint on the brush and I am painting some lighter shade of leaves. I am painting these leaves in between the green leaves and at places wherever they will fit well. Along with these, I am painting additional leaves with even more lighter wash of paint. So by using different washes of single paint, you can add more variety and colors in the painting. Lastly, I am painting some darker shade of leaves by mixing indigo and black paint together. So this wreath looks complete to me now, and lastly I am writing a word in here using Tombow brush pen. Thanks for watching guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's video and would love to give this a try. Also, if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button to receive all the video notifications, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.